Whether you're selling t-shirts, mugs, prints, digital downloads, or anything else, strong Etsy listing photos are essential to getting more clicks and more sales. And with Kittl, it's super easy to level up your current photos. In Kittl, we already have a wide range of templates set up so sellers can quickly drop in a product image, create or edit a design, and even create video mockups for Etsy listings. Let's take a look at a few examples. In this first project, there's a digital print we are going to be offering on Etsy, but instead of only using the flat design by itself as a thumbnail image, it makes more sense to use a hero image that shows the finished result. And in this case, it's going to be a framed poster. While that flat artwork can still be useful elsewhere in our listing, the main image should help the buyer immediately picture the product in a real setting. Now here we've attached an AI image board to show the print inside a clean, attractive frame. Or you could also select a mockup from our library to attach your design to. And then we can actually add more AI image boards to create variations of our mockup in either different settings or maybe different angles. And this creates more lifelike use cases and scenarios that a buyer may actually relate to, while also saving you tons of money otherwise spent on buying multiple mockup subscriptions. Now in this same template, we have an AI video board that can also be attached to create some simple or complex moving visuals for inside your Etsy feed, which will help you capture more attention on your product. Now this process can be repeated for as many products as you have so that you can have as many Etsy listings as you want. Now let's look at another Etsy template for a physical product like this hat right here. We can imagine we're running a print-on-demand shop, or maybe you already are, that has been integrated with Etsy, and we're going to be fulfilling using Printful. Once we've created the design here in Kittl, we can use a base mockup that we pulled from Printful, which becomes then very easy to place our design onto that hat. Then we can create better looking mockups and generate variations with AI, and then build an AI video thumbnail to again help capture more viewers. Now in both these examples, though one was a digital print download and the other one was a print on demand product, both are going to be a physical end product, meaning that the use case would be an actual tangible thing. But what if your product is something like a digital guidebook or a planner or a calendar? Well, the good news for you is that the same process I showed you will work for digital products like that. Now, the main difference is going to be that we want to take that product and show it in a more creative way, maybe on a tablet or an iPad or on your phone, or maybe even print it out and inside a 3-ring binder. Now, the easiest approach for those digital planner product is probably using a tablet or a phone as a mockup, and Kittl already has a large library of those that are ready to use. So let's take this example right here of a guidebook that's being sold as a digital download, which is most likely going to be a PDF someone will download from Etsy. The full guidebook has already been created here in Kittl, which is a huge advantage, by the way. And from here, we can attach a mockup to the first page and place it in a tablet or a phone or whatever else we want from the library of mockups in Kittl. Then we can pair that with an AI image board to change the overall aesthetic so that it fits more of the style of your Etsy shop. And just like in the previous templates I showed, more variations can be made using AI image boards while keeping the original guidebook page intact on that tablet or device. Then we can finish things off with an AI video board to create a more interesting moving composition, like maybe the tablet is opening up and the guidebook is being revealed on that tablet. And the reason that we're focusing heavily on these video thumbnails is pretty simple, because Etsy themselves have reported that listings with videos can generate 2 to 3 times more sales than the listings that don't. And this is something that Kittl is designed to help sellers achieve more easily. These Etsy templates I showed you create a more consistent workflow for generating variations of your products or the designs or your digital guidebooks. And that means less time spent rebuilding a listing from scratch and more time spent uploading more products and making more sales. Now, everything I just showed you is linked down in the description, and there's also a special promotion available right now that's worth checking out. But hey, even if you missed that promotion, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you don't miss the next one and so that you can keep learning to go further faster. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.